Book of Heaven, Volume 11, February 5th, 1916. Scourges to the world and great trials for the few good. Only through faithfulness will they not stagger and be saved. I continue my days being afflicted, especially because of the almost continuous threats of Jesus, that the scourges will spread more. Last night, then, I remained terrorized. I found myself outside of myself, and I found my afflicted Jesus. I felt reborn to new life in finding him, but no. As I was about to console him, some people snatched him from me and reduced him to pieces. What heartbreak! What fright! I threw myself on the ground close to one of those pieces, and a voice from heaven resounded in that place.
Firmness, courage to the few good. May they not move in anything. May they not neglect anything. They will be exposed to great trials, both from God and from men. Only through faithfulness will they not stagger and be saved. The earth will be covered with scourges never before seen. Creatures will try to destroy the Creator, to have a God of their own, and to satisfy their whims at the cost of any slaughter. And with all this, not attaining their purposes, they will arrive at the most awful brutalities. Everything will be terror and fright.
After this, I found myself inside myself. I was shaking. The thought of how they had reduced my beloved Jesus gave me death. I wanted to see him at any cost, even for one instant, to see what had happened to him. And Jesus, always good, came, and I calmed down. May he be always blessed.